May ngipin, may ano pa sa ngipin. Oh.
Hello there! Today we will be doing the Beware the Dog challenge with my friends Jello and Angelo. Without further ado, let's begin. The rules for the game are simple. You'll pick a card. From this card, it will have a number, a color of a bone, and a number. The number is how many bones you'll have to get of that color. Yeah. If any of us fails to get a bone or make the dog angry, we'll have to eat one of these three. Okay, guys, to find out who will go first or last, we're gonna do maibataya.
Yeah. Maibataya. Wait, let's go. Maibataya. Maibataya. Oh, you're the first.
You're the first. I'm the second.
You're the
You see, you pick first.
You pick first. A card.
One
Okay.
red.
Boner.
One white. My bad. It's a bonus. Bonus card. The next one. Two blue boners. Take one card. One blue. Okay. I have this one. Oh, three blue. Also one. False alarm.
Okay, guys. Today, because Angelo lost, we have decided that I'll choose the consequence. So the consequence will.
Okay, let's do that then.
He will eat the powder now.
Half of spoon only, because powder is very
Hot sauce.
yes, very hot. Let's do this. Ah.
Yummy.
A few moments later.
Angelo is out now, so it will just be me and Jello playing the rest of the game.
Don't cry. So hot, man.
Let's begin. Angelo will be our card dealer.
Yes, it's the drug dealer. I will be the. Oh, so hot. Okay, Jesse, choose.
This is. I'll show you guys how to win the game.
Three yellow boners. Go, Jesse. Uh-oh. No, wait, don't be fine. Here, okay. My turn. Jealous turn. One white bone. Oh boy. Easy, so easy ah. Good try. White. Oh, bonus. Two blue. I can take it anymore, man. One more. Jello. Your turn, Jesse. One red. Daya. It's your turn.
A few moments later.
You're shaking.
One more. the bottom.
You need to lose. Your turn to lose. The dog is angry na. Jess is the next loser.
Okay. Jesse.
I will choose I will choose consequence for you.
What is it?
Okay. I choose the sauce.
Hot sauce.
Yes. That's easy. How much of a spoon?
Half.
Half only.
Half.
only.
Half.
Okay. Yes. Do it now.
Wait, tissue.
Tissue.
Wala, gamitin na.
Ay, ikaw lang ako.
Tissue. Wait.
Jella, you pour.
No, you.
So, Angela, you pour. So I know
Okay,
how
I'll
much is
pour.
half.
Good luck, Jesse. Oh. It's so delicious, man. It's enough.
I can
One
get
more.
You can get, Ah!
That's fine.
It's okay na.
Okay.
Okay, wait. It's so easy.
Yummy.
So yummy, man.
Ooh.
Easy.
Basic.
Yummy. Okay, it's okay na. Jello won the game, so that
I
He will eat the one kilogram.
No,
yes,
no,
the
no.
tree. Yes, that's the
No,
rules.
no,
Yes,
no.
Jesse.
No.
That's
Yeah.
right.
No,
yes.
no. Oh, we'll restart the game.
We don't
Yes.
have. No.
Restart.
Restart. No restart. No, eat the calamansi.
No.
One calamansi
No.
only. You're so.
You, ano?
I will break it.
Jello, ikaw na sa last. Para pantay-pantay.
Paano last?
Ikaw na sa kalamansi.
Oo nga. Jello.
Basic, easy. Pati buto?
No. Jello.
Sirit mo sa bibig mo.
Yes. Go, Jello.
Ito mo. At ito?
Oo! Kainin mo! Dalandan yan! So yummy! Delicious!
Yummy.
Okay na! Oh, it's okay! Yay! You're the winner!
Easy win!
Easy win!
Easy win, Jesse. You lose.
Hey,